I got stung by a jellyfish. I got stung by a jellyfish. I caught a big tuna. I caught a big tuna. Dry your hair with a towel. Dry your hair with a towel. Knock on the door nicely. Knock on the door nicely. I'm eating hot noodles. I'm eating hot noodles. My kid hates veggies. My kid hates veggies. I have red spots all over. I have red spots all over. Look, that's so funny. Look, that's so funny. I study hard for my exam. I study hard for my exam. Hold your nose. It stinks. Hold your nose. It stinks. We always wear yukata during the summer festival. We always wear yukata during the summer festival. Knead the dough until it's smooth and soft. Knead the dough until it's smooth and soft. The nurse checks my blood pressure. The nurse checks my blood pressure. Don't break your promise, okay? Don't break your promise, okay? I get sick on planes. I get sick on planes. I love caramel pudding. I love caramel pudding. We are real brothers. We are real brothers. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. The silkworm eats leaves. The silkworm eats leaves. We practice surgery today. We practice surgery today. My nose is running. My nose is running. She sings to her baby. She sings to her baby. I walk my dog every morning. I walk my dog every morning. The water is boiling. The water is boiling. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. When will you finish cleaning? When will you finish cleaning? He writes calligraphy. He writes calligraphy. This perfume smells so good. This perfume smells so good. I watch cartoons every night. I watch cartoons every night. I enter data at work. I enter data at work. This soup is too spicy. This soup is too spicy. He is picking up trash. He is picking up trash. A tsunami hit the coast. A tsunami hit the coast. This new house is so beautiful. This new house is so beautiful. The referee shows a yellow card. The referee shows a yellow card. I just picked some fresh vegetables. I just picked some fresh vegetables. We are giving soup to people. We are giving soup to people. I soak in hot water. I soak in hot water. She puts on makeup. She puts on makeup. Grandma scolded me. Grandma scolded me. The dog licks the baby's face. The dog licks the baby's face. You guys go that way. You guys go that way. He is an engineer. He is an engineer. He is shoveling snow. He is shoveling snow. He loves skiing in the winter. He loves skiing in the winter. I'm lying on the grass and relaxing. I'm lying on the grass and relaxing. I miss my home. I miss my home. Horse racing is a popular sport in the UK. Horse racing is a popular sport in the UK. Mom is going to the supermarket. Mom is going to the supermarket. We are making pizza at home. We are making pizza at home.